Jamaican chef in the kitchen. Chef Ricardo cooking is amazing. Anyway, today we want to give you the secrets of making. Don't go anywhere. Watch this video. It is amazing, and I'm gonna be showing you how you can do it from scratch to finish. All right. Jamaica secret of make it in your kitchen at home. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo Cooking, and don't forget to click in the notification bell and subscribe. All right. Very important to get the latest update from Chef Ricardo today. Stay tuned. Amazing soup today. 3 cups of hot water into the pot. And what we're going to do is get a piece of a pumpkin right here and butternut squash. And we're going to cut up the butternut squash, alright, into some pieces, small dices. Just some small dices like this, and put it straight into the pot. This is what we need to make today, because right now, if you are in Jamaica and you went outside and see outside white, you don't go back inside. All right. Right now outside is cold, freezing cold. All right. So what I want you to do is simple. Just do what I'm gonna do is to make this beautiful soup. All right. Beautiful. So we're going to cutting up the butternut squash. Alright, beautiful one, butternut squash. So once you cut up the butternut squash, you put it into the hot water. Alright, just like this. Just a little piece of a butternut squash into the water. I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful, fantastic soup for meat-free Monday. Alright, very easy and simple, not complicated, or you have to stress out yourself, or you're gonna have to think you have to go fly to Jamaica or to the Caribbean to get some vegetable. All of this vegetable is next door, yo. Alright, jump to next door, get yourself some vegetable and make some soup. Alright, so if you notice, the butternut squash is inside of the hot water. Now what I'm gonna do, I've got some turkey rub. It's not meat, it is meat free and also vegan free and also gluten free. Alright, Caribbean Fusion season. Alright, they're the one who sponsors Chef Ricardo with this one, and I'm introducing it to you guys. So go over and get your season. Alright, now what I'm going to do with the butternut squash, I'm going to put roughly about 2 teaspoons of this fantastic season. Alright, 2 teaspoons of the turkey rub. The turkey rub is just beer herbs in it. Alright, and choose a beautiful soup. I decided to put some inside of it. Now we have this one. This is a Caribbean Fusion sauce and spice. All of the information is in the description box. Secondly, this one is the Master Roasted Grill seasoning. 18 different kind of herbs. So basically, it is also gluten free and also vegan friendly and also low in salt. Alright, so we're going to put a teaspoon of this inside of it. And definitely make that go and boil up in the meantime with the pumpkin, because we want to get the pumpkin go and cook and mash out in the soup, in the pot. Alright, so remember I told you guys we got 3 cups of water and a piece of a butternut squash, you know, into it. Alright, so cover that and allow that to go and cook for now. Secondly, this is all of my vegetables which I'm going to be using. Just to make us show you what's going on. Alright, we got green banana, we got a potato, we got a thing named chocho, and sweet potato, and also we got some, this is some sweet corn. Alright, so what we're gonna do, I think we're gonna put the sweet corn in there too. So get the sweet corn and cut into half. Alright, if you can't do it, make your husband do it for your ladies. Alright, if you want to make the soup, because this soup is also a meat-free soup. There's no meat, and also very good for weight loss. Alright, so what we're going to do now is cut up this piece of this corn, and we're going to cut them up into some small pieces like this and put into the pot. Alright, lovely. So you don't want to cut up the corn too big, you just want to cut them up very small. Alright, very small to put inside of the pot, just like this. Now, as you can see exactly what's going on right here, alright? So I'm not going to be using a lot of corn. I'm just using a little piece of a corn because it's a little bit of soup. Alright? Beautiful, nice, and also delicious. So I'm going to show you how to make the beautiful Jamaican soup, vegetable soup. Alright, everyone may make it different, but that's your opinion of making your soup that way. Alright, so as you can see, 3 cups of water, piece of butternut squash, and some corn. Because of the kind of weather, we need something like this in our body and in our soul. Don't tell me that I don't know what Chef Ricardo making. You know what I'm making. Cover it and now make it go and boil in the meantime. That is set. Alright, that's set for now. Fantastic and an amazing. Alright, that looking good so far. Yeah, now there's a lot of ladies and a lot of people that don't know how to make Jamaican dumplings. So that's why I want to do the video from scratch to finish. Alright, so first thing what you need to do, if you got long fingernails, don't worry yourself, you still can make a dumpling. Some ladies like to use fork and spoon and give it a rub up on all them thing there. So if you have long fingernail, do not worry yourself, you still can make it. If you just paint your pretty nails them yesterday, you still can make it. Put on some gloves and go into the kitchen. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to make it simple. I got a cups of plain flour, alright? Just a cups of plain flour. See? 1 cup of plain flour. Yeah? 1 cup of plain flour. That's what you need. Secondly, we got some cornmeal, and we don't know, we can't make dumpling without cornmeal. 3/4 cups of cornmeal inside of it, alright? If you do not like the dumpling with the cup with cornmeal, you don't have to put cornmeal inside of it. You can make it plain and straightforward. Alright? Now, secondly, just a little bit of salt, and I'm using the old good sea salt. Alright? Beautiful. So, if you like to make Jamaican dumpling, this is a recipe for you. Alright? Now the secret we're gonna give you, if you want to make your dumpling them really nicely, and you know what I mean, I'm gonna give you a little bit of secret. Get a fork and just go so. Alright? With the fork and just spin it around with your fork with the mixture, alright? That is lovely. It's very easy, guys, straightforward. I'm telling you this, 100% straightforward. Nothing too complicated to make. So basically, what you do, you lighten up the flour. Try and do this at home and you'll see what I'm talking about. Just try and do this at home and you will see. Beautiful. Secondly, as I said, make sure you wash your hand. Alright, you can't use dirty nails and make dumpling. That is a red flag. Your fingernail them have to clean, and you have to cut your nail them low before you make Jamaican caramel dumpling. Alright? Because if you got black fingernail, it not gonna work. Red flag. So please, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright? So right there, we got the caramel and the plain flour and also a little bit of salt. Alright? What we're going to do is get roughly about a cup of water. Take your time and pour it inside of the bowl like this, and take your time and mix it. So all who want to learn how to make Jamaican dumpling, here's a little bit of tips here. Don't be shy and talk about you don't want to dirty up your nails them and all that thing there. Just take a little time and add a little bit of water to it. Right? Do not add too much water because it will spoil. And you don't want to spoil. You just want to take a little time and rub it in. Alright? Take a little bit more water. And honestly, like how the weather is so bad outside, you need something like this to make the Jamaican dumpling. Alright? Beautiful one and very easy and simple. A little bit more water. And remember, you cannot use dirty nails to make the dumpling. It's going to be a red flag. Try your best and get your nails cut nicely, and then I make some dumpling. Alright, now a little bit more water into the pot. Alright, take your time and roll it in just like that. Alright, now just wet it around like this with your hand with a little bit of water. Alright, that is fantastic and amazing. Look at that, beautiful. So basically when you make the dough, you're supposed to can use the dough and just clean out the bowl like this. You know, simple. Alright, just like that. Take your time and you just knead it in. Just like this. Very easy guys, very very easy. Please join my YouTube channel membership and support Chef Ricardo, because this work what I'm doing here is a energy work guys, honestly. You have to support Chef Ricardo on this one. Live and on the scene, come on. You know? Gracie World, come to the YouTube channel. Alright. So as I can see exactly what's going on. Very easy recipe to make at home, alright? So if you want to learn how to make the dough, this is how we normally do it. So basically your dough is supposed to look like this. You see how easy and nice? That's how the dough is supposed to look. Alright? So as I say, if you got long nails, you still can make the dumpling. Alright? And if you got some black nail, get your nails them wash and clean and make the dumpling, because that's a red flag. Alright? So as I can see, you just take a little time and just knead it in. And anytime you make the dough and your bowl clean like this, like you just wash it, then you know say it is a good dough. Alright? Yeah. Yeah man, just take your time and just knead it in. And you will see exactly, look at that. So that is boiling up really lovely and nice. Alright? Now, two things you can do once you make the dough. It's supposed to look like this. Alright? Look like that. So what you can do, you can either just get a piece of a napkin and cover it like this and allow it for it to rest for one good 10 minutes. Or you can use it a cling film and just cling film it all over. Alright? Now we're just gonna put this at the side until 10 minutes time. Alright? Stay tuned in guys, don't go anywhere, because you never see anything like this in your life. It's the first. So you have to watch this video. Alright? And this video is just an amazing video for you to watch. Whoa. So as I said, if you're going to make the dough, please wash your hand very good and clean your fingernail. And if you got tall fingernail, do not worry yourself, you still can make it. Alright? Yeah, beautiful one. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. Alright, now Gracie World, big up yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in. Nicole, thank you so much. You know what I mean? Kaya, thank you so much for coming on the show. Alright? Fantastic. Alright, look at that. So because of the vegetable and all them things. So basically you want to put in those two ingredients first into the soup, into the pot. You know? Yeah. You want to put it, make sure you put in those ingredients, because I don't know what now. When you put in those ingredients, it just boil, and not only that, sometimes it's just good for just boiling all the pumpkin and make it just mash out into the water, and trust me, it is very good to go. Alright, so what we're going to do, to be honest with you, we're going to take our little time. We're going to take our little time and add the vegetables them into the pot. Alright? That's exactly what we need to do. We're going to take a little bit of time and add the vegetables. Alright? Fantastic. So we got celery, which is very nice to put in soup. If you're making a vegetable soup, this is very good. Alright? Very, very nice to put some celery into the soup. Alright? Don't worry yourself. We got some carrot. Beautiful carrot. You know? Just simple cut them up. Fantastic. And an amazing. That is lovely. Fantastic and amazing. So the soup look nice. Very easy little soup. Simple and also delicious. Thank you, Gracie, for the word. Thank you so much for donating to the show. Thank you so much, guys. Please go over to the Instagram page and follow Chef Ricardo Cooking, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, we're using 2 medium-sized carrots because carrot is very good for your eyesight. Alright? If you not use carrot in your soup, you have to use carrot. Alright? Now we got some green banana. Let's cut up some green banana. Or if you got plantain, please use plantain. Alright, I will put that straight into the pot. Just like that. Beautiful and nice. So that look nice. A lot of vegetable is very good to have in the soup. We got a medium-sized white onion. We're going to use this. Alright, let's put that straight inside of it. Some white onion. So basically, you see this a soup now is because of the kind of weather you need to drink this kind of soup. Alright? We got some sweet potato, not the Jamaican one. We're talking about overseas one. Alright? Just gonna put that straight into the pot. Alright, that is lovely and nice. Beautiful. Yeah, it looks like a lot of food in it, but that's what you want, you know what I mean? A lot of, you know what I mean? Everything must right up to the point, you know? We're gonna put a medium-sized potato inside of it, alright? Beautiful and nice. Guys, nice to have a lot of vegetables into the soup. So, as I said, today is meat-free Monday. Look at that. Fantastic and an amazing. We're gonna put half a chocho. Listen to me now, guys. I have something I want to share with you. Chocho. Alright, you see this little thing here is green, but a lot of people try to avoid it, not to use it and all these things. What I want you to do, go and get yourself some chocho and make a chocho salad. I'll leave that half for a chocho salad. Very, very good for you, chocho. Beautiful to make. Brenda, welcome to the show. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the donation, Brenda. Beautiful one. Alright, we got a piece of fresh thyme. Put that straight inside of it. Alright, now the thing is, the reason why I like to make my soup this kind of way, alright, with less liquid, because you can always add a little bit of liquid to it. Just put a little bit more water. You know? Yeah. Beautiful. You can always add a little bit more liquid to the pot, you know? That is lovely. Now we got some spring onion. Alright. Straight into the pot like that. Alright, beautiful soup. Now the winter, yeah. You see, if you go outside and outside of your house is white, please go back right back inside. Alright, and right here we're gonna crush some garlic and put it straight inside of the soup. This is a perfect vegetable soup for the time of weather we're in now. You know? Yeah, perfect. 3 cloves of garlic. That is lovely and nice. Alright. And you saw that I cook nice? Look at that. That is just lovely and amazing. That's exactly what we need. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put some pimento seed. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pimento seed into the pot. Pimento seed is very good for drinking tea in the morning. No meat is inside of this. Today is meat-free Monday. As I said this morning, you have to make one day no meat. Alright? That is just lovely and amazing. Look at that. Beautiful soup. So that look nice. A lot of vegetables and you know what I mean? Yeah. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about. Yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the dough to put inside of the pot. Alright, so you need the dough to, you know what I mean, put inside of the pot and get that ready. Alright, beautiful. Yeah, it's good to make the soup, guys, in this kind of weather. Honestly, if you're not making soup in them kind of weather, yeah, trust me, you have to. It's a must. You know what I mean? You can't eat rice and peas and fried chicken in them kind of weather, yeah. You have to drink like some green juice, drink some hot ginger tea and some lemon tea and all them things there, and then you make some soup later on in the evening. That's what you need in this kind of weather. Now this is the dough which we're going to use. Alright. Yeah man, this is the dough. So once you mix them up like this, honestly, yeah, beautiful and nice. You know what I mean? These are just beer vegetable, and this is well really good for you. Alright, so basically this is the dough, as you can see it for yourself. You know what I mean? Yeah. So what you want to do, take off a little piece and roll it in your hand. Make sure your hand them clean and nice. You see that? And make sure you nail them not dirty and black. Make sure you nail them clean if you're going to make Jamaican dumpling. Alright? Because if you're going to make Jamaican dumpling and you nail them dirty, it's red flag. Straight up. You have to make sure your hand them clean and nice. Alright? And if you got long nails, wear gloves. Straight up. If you got long nails, wear gloves. And you know what I mean? Yeah. And as I said, guys, this is just amazing soup right here, honestly. So if you're at home, just make yourself some soup. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just make yourself some soup and all them things there. So basically, you can see how the dough look nice and all them things there. So basically, as you can see, this is all you must make sure your dumpling them look. You know? So you can't say you didn't learn how to make Jamaican dumpling, because I just show you how to do it. Just cut off a little piece, roll it in your hand, and make yourself some Jamaican dumpling, and you're pretty good to go. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to make a big portion of soup like this and drink it right straight through the day, you know? Boots up your immune system. Yeah, that's what you want. Alright, lots of vegetable, and not only that, the vegetable very good for you. So that's what you want to do. You know what I mean? Yeah. Lots of vegetable. Make sure the soup pepper up and thing. Alright? Beautiful. Alright, so just making some tiny spinach dumpling right now. Beautiful and nice, guys. Honestly, 100% you guys can see exactly what I'm doing right here, alright? This is a soup, and a normal soup where you just make at home. You know, you have to spend time and, you know, get the thing together. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for logging on the YouTube channel at the moment. Please go over to my Instagram page, Chef Ricardo hashtag, and there's a giveaway for all of the ladies that who love to make spicy soup. Yeah, you can win it. Alright, beautiful. Yeah, look at that, and amazing. So basically, if you missed the video, half an hour at a time, you can watch it full time again. You know what I mean? As I say, if you missed the video, you can still watch it again. Alright? Alright, now I got the chicken noodle flavor soup. We're gonna put that in the soup and make it, you know what I mean? Bring up a flavor to it. Beautiful and nice. So basically, as you can see it for yourself, you know what I mean? Vegetable, you know, that bring a lot of water, so you have to be careful, you know what I mean? You don't want your soup with too too runny, and you don't want your soup to be too thick and all that stuff. You want it right in between. Alright, so right here we got some noodle. 1 pack of noodle. Pumpkin soup noodle. Pumpkin soup noodle, you can get this. No, this one is the cock soup flavor. Alright, you can get this one in the local shop or your supermarket. Me say, because we don't want the one with no meat tonight. Oh, no. Alright, you can get this one inside of the local shop or your supermarket for buy. You got the pumpkin soup mix. You got all different kind of flavor one that you like. Go in there and get that one. Alright. So what we're going to do is going to put a little bit of water on it. Just a little bit of water. Alright. So you put a little bit of water and mix it out first. Alright guys. When you just throw it into the soup like this. So you want to put it into a container. Put a little bit of hot water and mix it out. And then pour it inside of the pot. Alright. Nice one. You do not want to just simple pour it in the pot water just like that. Sometimes it just came out and a little bit lumpy. So what you do, you just try and mix it out first before you put it in the, you know. Beautiful, nice and lovely. That's exactly what I'm talking about right there in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Alright. Now the thing is, what I want to simply say to you, as you can see how the soup look nice. I'm going to have to put one of your favorites in it. Alright. Yeah. Look at the soup. Wow. My gosh. Here it is. Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. That's the last thing we put in the pot. Alright. This is just a simple little vegetable soup where you guys can make at home. It does not complicate it to make. Alright. So we put in the noodle and everything in it already. What we're going to do is taste it to see where we are. Alright. So if you just taste a little bit of the soup. Yeah. Wow, that tastes nice, you know. It tastes nice, but you know, through a lot of vegetable in it and all everything there. What you have to do now is probably just grab yourself, you know, grab yourself yeah, cause we already done we put some of this in it already. This is the turkey rub, and we put also sorry guys, we put also Caribbean, the master roasted grilling also inside of it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put a vegetable stock in it. Alright, so the vegetable stock, you can get that at a local shop or your supermarket. And same thing with the vegetable stock, it's nice to put it into like a little container. Alright, and just pour roughly about a little bit of water to it, not much. You know, just to dissolve it out first into the water, alright? So you just put a little bit of hot water to it. Because sometimes it's better for you to do it this way when you put it into the pot and it just like lumpy up in the pot and I get to mash out good. Alright, beautiful. It's vegetable soup guys, no meat. Alright, so that looking good and nice. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to allow this for it to boil up for about one nice good 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to see where we are. All of them the vegetables are nice we have in the winter. Alright, so if y'all wake up all this morning and this kind of food is not a normal one guys, honestly. It is fantastic and amazing. Alright, and the thing looking so lovely. Look at that, delicious, beautiful. So let's put this aside and then we'll put this aside. Alright, you know, when we are in the kitchen we have to do it this kind of way. Now this is what's gonna happen. Alright, big bowl of soup. Now it's time to share up this beautiful soup right now guys, honestly. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you just, you know, share it up like this and everyone happy. Beautiful and amazing. You know what I mean? Dumpling and everything. You know, we got some, yeah, Fantastic soup, guys. Honestly, 100% is something like this you need in the weather. Don't tell me that Chef Ricardo, me not make my soup that kind of way. How you making your soup kind of way, you're a chef. Come on, don't talk that kind of way. You know what I mean? You can make your soup any way you want to make it. Beautiful, look at that. Oh my God. That is fantastic and an amazing. Tell me now, what more do you want with this soup? With all this scotch bonnet pepper on top. Wow. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, now we got, remember we have all of these right over here where we've been working with. Beautiful soup. And trust me, if you can make this at home, guys, yeah, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright? That the soup that is amazing. Beautiful one. And to be honest, it's not complicated to make. It's just very, very simple and delicious. Alright? As you can see for yourself. Look at that. Beautiful. Ah, man. Oh, my taste. That's exactly what we are talking about. Making yourself a beautiful soup at home. Alright? Finish it up with some herbs and all that thing there. So that is lovely, guys. 100%. That is lovely and an amazing. Trust me, 100%. You can do this at home. Alright? Look at that. Beautiful, lovely, and delicious. Alright? Yes, that's exactly what we're talking about. Natural, homemade soup like this at home. Alright? So as you can see it for yourself, you can make your soup any kind of way you want to make it at home. Alright? Thank you so much, Gracie, for the word. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. And as I said, the soup this evening, if you wake up this morning or if you didn't get the chance to make your soup today, try and make it tomorrow, okay? Because you have to have one day in the week which is meat-free Monday. Alright, today is my meat-free Monday, okay? Tomorrow can be your one, the next day, whatever day you want to make. But I'm just simply saying to you, you must have a day into your house where you don't eat meat, alright? You just eat vegetables, you know what I mean? It can be some steamed vegetable and all them things. There can be some salad. It can be like a soup like this. Be a vegetable in the soup. Yes. Thank you so much, Brenda. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for you know what I mean, for your support. It means a lot. Alright? Take a little time and you join my YouTube channel and you always support me. What amazing. Thank you so much for your support and for your time watching my video. Alright? It is amazing. Thank you so much. It is amazing, guys, honestly. So as I said, guys, if you're at home, you can make this kind of soup. All of the seasoning, if you want to get those seasoning, guys, as I said, the seasoning are vegan season. There's no meat in them. Okay? They are vegan season. Alright? So that's why I say meat-free Monday is a special day for Chef Ricardo. Very, very special day, and you can have a day where you can make it special for yourself. So all of those seasoning where you see I've been using, they are vegan. Alright? Oh, you make similar soup? Okay, I am sure this is fantastic. 100% Brenda. Alright? So basically, as I said, guys, the soup, the seasoning where I use, it is vegan friendly, and it is also vegetable soup. Alright? So please look down in the description box. You can see the link how to get your season. Support your local business in your area. Alright, you can get your season by clicking on the link. Go over to their website and support them. Alright? Yeah, Angel, thank you so much for coming on the show. Yeah, you're going to, yeah, you have to buy them. Yeah, their season, the link is in the description box where you can get the season for buy, and they are vegan friendly and they are gluten free, so you don't have to worry yourself about meat and all them things. That nothing, no meat, not in it. Everything is gluten free, all right, and meat and vegan friendly. And not only that, they are less in salt, so you have to add salt yourself. All right, guys. Anyway, as I said, please go over to my Instagram page, Chef Ricardo Cooking, and please join my YouTube channel membership. On my Instagram page, there's a giveaway for all of the ladies them who like to cook spicy food at home. So if you're a lady and you like to cook spicy food, well, this is spicy food will be do you well for this Valentine. Alright, so as I say, if you like to cook spicy food on Valentine Day, then go over and cook some spicy food. Alright, and honestly, you will see exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about. Alright, now what I want to simply say to you guys, as I said, go over to my Instagram page, hashtag Chef Ricardo Cooking, and get your recipe and get your ideas. Alright, yeah. Oh, you're using a Dutch pot. Dutchy. Alright, now, as I said, thank you so much guys for coming on the show. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Remember, I'm using the turkey rub season. Be your herbs in this. Remember, there's no meat. Alright, and I use the master roasted grill. There's no meat. So what I want to simply say to you, please just log on over to Instagram and get and win this an amazing prize. Alright, secondly, I want to simply say to you guys, yeah, don't forget this kind of season right here. You might say, Chef Ricardo, don't forget the season. In the description box, there's a link said Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice.com. Click on that link and go over to their website. 20% when you use Chef Ricardo. Anything you buy on their website, anything you buy, you get 20% discount. So that's a big main. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in. As I say, we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo.